Good morning, students. Today we will start our new chapter, that is the method of cooking and preserving foods. So you have to welcome Cosmonaut International School. So today we will discuss about 5th class science lecture of chapter 2nd, that is method of cooking and preserving foods. So in this we will learn method of cooking, raw vegetables and fruit, raw food need extra kit, and preservation of foods. So we know that all living organisms need food to remain alive and active, but every food item cannot be eaten raw. Some of them are hard to digest. Some of them are not tasty, so it need to be cooked. The following are the advantage of the cooked foods. So हमें पता है कि कुछ foods हमारे hard होते हैं, so they cannot easy digest. So we have to need to be cooked that foods. So following are the advantage of the cooked food. Cooked food become soft, lighty and easy digestible, and cooked food is tasty to eat. The germ present in raw food are killed by cooking. So these are the advantage of your cooked foods. जो हमारा cooked food है वो soft होता है, light होता है and easily digestible होता है. Cooked food are also tasty to eat, and germ present in raw food are also killed by cooking. So these are the advantage of the cooked foods. So this picture will show you that here this family will eat cooked foods. No, we will see various method of cooking. There are several methods of cooking. So our first method is boiling. Now which type of the food we cooked by using boiling? So that are the rice, pulses, potatoes, peas, gram, etc. are cooked by boiling in water. Boiling makes the food easily digestible and nourishing. So that is why a doctor prescribed boiled food for patients. So हमें पता है जो हमारे चावल्स वगैरह हो गए, आलू वगैरह हो गए, इनको हमें बॉयल करते हैं हम वाटर के अंदर, और जो बॉइल्ड फूड है वो इजीली डाइजेस्टिबल होता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई डॉक्टर विल प्रिस्क्राइब boiled food for patients. Now second method is steaming. तो किस तरीके से हम steaming का यूज करके फूड को कुक कर सकते हैं. Now this is the method of boiling, this is the method of steaming. How we will use it? In this method the heat of the stone is used for cooking the food. Pressure cooker use this technique for cooking. Food cooked by steaming is wholesome, light and easy to digest. There is no loss of food value. For example, dokla, idli are prepared by steaming. So we know that this is the method of cooking food. In this we will use steam for heat. Pressure cooker use this techniques for cook. जो हमारा स्टीमिंग का प्रोसेस है, प्रेशर कुकर के द्वारा यही प्रोसेस यूज किया जाता है. इसमें हम स्टीम को यूज करते हैं किसके लिए? फॉर कुकिंग फूड. सो दिस इज आवर सेकंड मेथड, दैट इज स्टीमिंग. नाउ द थर्ड इज फ्राइंग. In this method, food is cooked and fried in ghee or oil. For example, puri is prepared by frying. So this is the method of frying. फ्राइंग के अंदर हम फूड कुक कर सकते हैं. जो फ्राई करते हैं वो किस में करते हैं? घी एंड इन द ऑयल. सो पूरी इज एन एग्जाम्पल दैट वी विल प्रिपेयर्ड बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ frying. Now the fourth is roasting. So what is roasting? It is the oldest method of cooking. In ancient time, people used to hunt animal and bird, eat them after roasting. Hot air are used to cook food in this method. Maize, grams, groundnuts, etc. are roasted in heated sand. We can also put potatoes in hot ash for roasting. So this is the oldest method of the cooking. In ancient time, we will use people will use hunt animal and bird, eat them after roastings. So जो सबसे पुराना मेथड हमारा कुकिंग का है वो कौन सा है? रोस्टिंग. इसके अंदर जो पुराने टाइम में लोग थे वो क्या करते थे? एनिमल्स का हंटिंग करने के बाद में, बर्ड्स के हंटिंग करने के बाद में उनको रोस्ट करके और ईट करते थे. सो दिस इज आवर ओल्डेस्ट मेथड. दिस मेथड इज यूज्ड फॉर कुकिंग मेज, ग्राम, ग्राउंडनट्स. सो वी विल also put potatoes in hot ash for roasting. So this is the oldest method of cooking. Now the last one is baking. So what is baking? Hot air is used to cook food in this method. While baking is a thing like papad, it is placed directly on the fire. Bread, biscuit, cakes, pastries, etc. are baked in an oven, while tandoori roti is also baked in a tandoor. So baking is also a process of cooking food. In this method we use hot air. We will use hot air for cooking foods. Like in this we will cook papad, bread, biscuit, cakes, pastries in an oven. So this is a process of cooking food of baking. And tandoori roti is also baked in tandoor. So this is the examples of the baking. This picture will be show the baking process of cooking, and this picture will show the roasting of the cooking. So this is the end of your lecture. Now you have to do advantage of the following advantage of the cooked food. You have to write this on your notebook, and also write the methods of cooking and learn about all these things. So this is your today's homework, and this is the end of your lecture.